Morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Today I am in Shoreditch, London, eastern part of the city, and we're going to check out a farm in the middle of London. Okay, so I know what you're probably thinking. How is there a farm in the middle of London, let alone any city? Also, why is there a farm in the middle of London? Well, to answer that, we'll first have to go back a bit. To the year 1978. Actually, let's go briefly back to 1190. In the late 12th century, this area of eastern London, between the districts of Shoreditch and Tower Hamlets, was a relatively rural suburb and farming ground commune outside of central London. It is historically significant as it was also an ancient Roman burial ground and is home to the famous St. Mary's Spital Hospital built in 1190. This historical building is where the farm's neighborhood gets its name today, Spitalfields. Okay, now with that backstory, let's fast forward all the way to 1978. At the time, the current farmland property was situated on an abandoned railway depot, where the locals petitioned to convert the wasteland into a more usable space. This, in tandem with a long history of backyard farming in the East End, led to the founding of the farm today, Spitalfields City Farm. Okay, now that you are caught up to speed, back to the video. Not sure at all what to expect. We're going through a park right now on the way over, and I'm just gonna make a quick vid for you guys to check it out a bit, and yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, after some fun on the little cable swing, whatever the hell you call it, we're headed over to the farm now. Gonna check out some animals. You guys know what animals are here? No?
Farm, huh?
No, just okay. Well, you'll find out. I think you could maybe you guys can see in there some of the horses, ponies playing with each other. That guy's chilling.
Are they fighting?
I think they're fighting. I'm not sure.
Maybe like play fighting.
Yeah, they're having a good time. We'll get a better shot for you guys. It's free for 2-year-olds, guys. In case there's any 2-year-olds watching the vid right now. Hey guys, we just found the entrance to the farm. Completely free, which was a bit unexpected.
That's what you need.
Here are the animals that we could presumably see. Hope you guys could read that. It's a bug hotel.
That's great.
Go check that out. We found our first animal. Oh! I don't think he's happy with my filming. He's chilling though. I wonder what the purple marks are on him. Okay, I think I'm bothering him. Found some goats. I don't know if it's working.
It's not.
Gotta say, it's very well put together. Just all the animals, nice inside of the park, little quaint kind of farm. See Eddy Cole there with another goat. I'll zoom in on quite a nice little spot though if you're ever in Shoreditch for a free activity.
You back?
Up close and personal for us. What's up, buddy? Not sure if he likes it.
I don't know.
This guy's excited by all the passerbyers. He's trying to follow them. So after enlightening myself with the poster, we have Gilbert and Sullivan behind me, who are, gotta check again, miniature Mediterranean donkeys. So that's quite interesting. I'll have to look up where they're from exactly, off the Mediterranean, but based on the name, you'd assume not local to England, but very cool nonetheless. For those of you that are more interested in the plants, nice little greenhouse here. quite pretty. Lots of goodies. Cool place.
Oh, careful, big girls. Yes. Sheep. Sheep. That was the main reason. Oh my god, look at this chocolate.
Found some chickens with what look like almost little backpacks.
Chicken fashion.
If anybody knows what that means, let us know. And these chickens don't seem to have the little backpacks. Not sure if you guys could see that if it zooms. They don't have the little backpack thing, so if anybody knows, if anyone's a farmer or a chicken expert, why these guys don't have some school attire, let us know. An unexpected friend. Hello? Adorable. All right, everyone, thank you for
Consumption.
joining us at the farm. I don't know what Cole said. But if you guys enjoyed, shameless plug, like the video, subscribe.
Really helps the algorithm.
It does help the algorithm. Leave a comment.